Welcome to Stride DIY. I'm going to show you their Amazon tool deals going on right now for Prime Day. This should be going on through July 11th, by the way. Now, first up is this Astro AI L7 tire inflator. This is great for your car tires. You can also use this on motorcycle, like balls and bicycles. This has a 150 PSI max, and this is 50% off for their Prime Day deals, only $19.98. And this has an auto shut-off feature. So what that means is if you do a preset of 36 or 35, whatever your car tire is, it's going to shut off at that amount. So you don't have to sit around waiting and press a button to turn off the tire inflator. It does it by itself, which is a really nice feature. Over 10,000 people have bought this in the last month, so that does mean that it is pretty popular. Obviously, it's 4.3 out of 5 stars, and again, it's going to be $19.98 or 50% off here. I think it's 17 liters a minute as well as its pump rate. Next up is this Craftsman VersaStack Mechanics tool set. This is 50% off as well at $99. This includes a 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, and 1/2 inch drive sets. So you're getting the ratchets in those sizes as well as the socket sets. It looks like you're also getting some extension sets and some little wrenches. A pretty good deal overall, and this is a 230 piece set again, guys. $99. It was $199, so you're saving 50% here. Over 10,000 people have bought this in the past month, and this is one of their overall picks and one of their best tool deals, I believe, for their Amazon Prime Day deals. And guys, if you do like these type of videos and think they bring value, go ahead and leave a like and a comment on this video. I would like to hear from you. Next is this DeWalt 20 volt max cordless drill and impact driver. I actually was tempted by this one. I do have their drill, but it's probably 15 years old and I don't have the impact driver. So this is going to be 50% off at $129. It was $259. Now this does come with the 2 tools, 2 batteries, charger, and contractor bag. So you're getting all that for $129 or half off here. This is 4.7 stars out of 5 stars, and over 54,000 people have rated it that way. And 10,000 people have bought this in the past month. This does have the nice little clip-on you can clip onto your belt, as well as the LED light, and that comes in both the drill driver and the impact driver. That's one thing I don't have on my drill, which I kind of wish I did, which would be nice when I'm working in low light areas. Next is this RAK magnetic pickup tool. It says gifts for men. I'm not sure why it's just for men, but it's a telescoping magnet with LED flashlight. So this extends to 22 inches. I actually had to use I think I had to use the same one. So I bought it a while back, or it was sent to me, and I was working on fixing, repairing, or replacing an ice maker. I think I was able to fix it, but on actually attaching it back to the base, one of the screws had fallen down behind it, and I didn't want to take apart the ice maker again to get that screw, so I had one of these, and I just used it, extended it, and was able to get that screw with the light end of the flashlight. Now the base also has a magnet, which you can use as well for whatever you need to, and this is going to be $16.98 or 32% off. It also has that little belt clip there. Next, from Deco Pro, this is a 158 piece tool set. It's a general household, like a DIY tool set. $53.99. This is 33% off. It was $79.99. This is a nice DIY set just to keep around your house. Not something you'd take to your work site really, but something to keep around like a rental property or your home to do some basic repairs. It has like wrenches. It has some hex keys, it looks like. Tape measure, hammer, as well as a ratchet, which is nice. You can see everything in this kind of top-down picture here. Has the ratchet with the different sockets, a few different screwdrivers. Looks like, again, the hex key set, and it does have the Phillips precision screwdrivers, which is really nice as well if you're trying to just replace batteries or you need to fix eyeglasses or something like that. Now, next up, they've got this endoscope camera. This is pretty cool. It has a light. This is for an inspection borescope. It has a 4.3 inch IPS screen with 920 pixels HD and 8 LED lights on the end. 16.4 foot semi-rigid core scope. This is great for mechanic work or if you're doing plumbing. you need to send this down some pipes and you're looking for, I mean, you could be looking for a clock, you could be looking, I think it has more use in the mechanic world, where you're looking at something and you need to check a sensor or a bolt or see where something is leaking, in that world. But this can be used in pipes as well. I've used this looking down pipes. I have, I don't think it's the same one, but it's very similar. And on their Prime Day deal, this is going to be $31, $34, or 37% off. They do have some pretty good deals on these Prime Day deals, up to 50% off. Now, as you can see, if you're scrolling on Amazon, they do have a lot of these DIY home tool sets. And of course, they're not really name brand, something you would recognize, but they are something you might want to keep around. This is a 276-piece tool set from King Tool with 12-volt cordless power drills, or cordless power drill driver. It has the storage case and everything pictured here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see a little bit better, but this is 4.5 stars, and I think over 1,000 people have bought this month alone. So you can see everything here. I do like that it does come with a hacksaw. It comes with the different drill bits, the hex bits. You get a few different pliers as well. It looks like some picture hanging screws and a level. Nice little wrench, hammer, some scissors, hex key bits. So a little bit of everything. I think it comes with a cutting tool also, some pliers, tape measure. But I won't read everything here, but you can just check it out. This is another one of those kits. This is from Jar Owl, never heard of that, but 6.8 volt toolkit. Comes with the drill, 247 in-pound torque, 0 to 13,000 RPMs, and with the keyless chuck, battery charger, and then the toolkit as well here. This one is a pretty good price, $48.99 at 46% off. And this does come with the spade drill bits. We usually don't see that in these type of toolkits, but they do have the different drill bits for like metal brick and wood, as well as 11 different sizes for the screwdriver bits too. So this does have a charger built in also. This is a 7-piece WorkPro plier set. I have one of these, but I've lost a few of them over time, so this might be a good time for me to pick up another one. It's $16.99, 23% off. You might not be thinking 23 is a huge deal, but this is a really good set, and it's something to consider. It's our #1 bestseller. This has the groove joint pliers, long nose pliers, slip joint linemen, and diagonal pliers. And this is really for DIY home use, but I think they hold up pretty well for whatever you need to use them for. And like I said, here's some more of those DIY home toolkits. There's a ton of these on Amazon. They are on the Prime Deal sales. You can pick up a decent one, like a 100, 200-piece kit for 50 bucks, 48 bucks, as you can see here. Now from EcoFind, this is a 46-piece 1/4-inch drive socket ratchet set. This has metric extensions as well as SAE, I believe. This does come with the storage case. They've sold over 7,000 the past month. This is $14.44 and 35% off. So a really nice small little ratchet set. You could just put in the back of your car or take with you, or even keep in your man cave if you want. Comes with everything pictured here. Comes with a little spinner handle, which is nice. Here's the extension sets, and that's just shown in someone's workplace there. Next from Fantic. Let me know what you think about Fantic, guys. I've kind of got mixed emotions on these. This is the 3.7 electric screwdriver kit. It's their mini precision screwdriver kit. When they first started selling these, they didn't kind of say they were for mini precision screwdrivers, but either way, this is a decent deal on it. I would never pay full price for these. 45% off at $43.77. This is their #1 bestseller in power screwdrivers. So you just got to keep in mind that this is a more precision type screwdriver. It's electric, but they've made a big brand name for themselves. And as long as you keep that in mind, that it's more for kind of, you know, small projects. It's not for putting things in the drywall, things like that. It does come with a 50-piece set. This is it laid out as far as all the different pieces that it comes with. It is nice and compact. That is a plus for it though. Now for the putty knife set, this is a really good deal. 40% off at $5.96. This is their 4-piece set. You get the 2, 3, 4, and 5-inch stainless steel paint scrapers, the taping knife tool for drywall repair, applying plaster, cement, adhesive, whatever you need to put on there. Over 9,000 people have bought this in the past month. That is a very good sign, and about 4.6 stars out of 5. Next up is this 3D multi-angle measuring ruler, 45 by 90 degree aluminum alloy square protector. This is a drawing line ruler and miter triangle. Now, price-wise, this is only going to be $9.93 or 38% off, 4.4 stars. And this is great if you do a lot of woodworking because it's kind of 2 tools in one. You get that miter as well as the triangle. This is for if you're a carpenter working on a lot of woodworking projects. Regular price on this, they're saying, is about $15.99. This is a closer up view of it. Next, from Swan Lake Garden Tools, never heard of that, but this is a 3/8-inch drive impact socket set. Really highly rated though, 4.7 stars with over 1,400 ratings. $39.99 is 20% off on their Prime Day deal here. It does come with SAE and metric pieces. I'm going to show you the breakdown of that in just a minute. It comes with 16 SAE sockets, 8 deep and 8 short, and then 28 metric sockets, 14 deep and 14 short here. Pretty nice deal here on this tool. This comes with the ratchet, of course, as well as the extension bars and modifying pieces. From We Tools is this corner clamp for woodworking. This is a 90-degree right angle clamp. It's a 4-piece adjustable spring-loaded clamp, so it just adjusts by the springs. This is 4.3 stars, $12.99. This is 41% off, so a really good deal. It moves left to right or up and down, and this fits panel thickness 3/16 to 3/4 of an inch here. They do have a reminder on this one. It says attention, it is for smaller projects, so if you have something larger, this probably won't work for you, but just keep that in mind and look at the description when you're considering buying this. Next up is this nut driver impact bit set at 40% off. This is $17.99. This is an extra long hex nut setter with driver holder, metric SAE screwdriver bits as a 1/4-inch drive shank adapter extension set. 4.6 out of 5 stars. And again, this is going to be 40% off at $17.99. So a pretty good deal here. It says 600 have bought in the last month, but it's probably not a big name brand, which is why. Next, from Ansell, this is their AD310 Classic OBD2 scanner. So if you have a car code that's popping up, you need to check it. This is for cars 1996 or newer. $20.99 is 32% off. Over 20,000 people have bought in the last month. That is a lot of people. So 4.6 out of 5 stars. This is a really good brand as far as these go. I just remember it was at least 15 years ago, maybe a little bit more. I paid $100 to get my OBD2 code read, and thinking back on it, that really pissed me off. This was before maybe the AutoZone and stuff like that were reading it. Next up is this right angle drill adapter 4-in-1 impact drill bit extension set. It's a 360-degree rotatable 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch impact grade socket adapter set. So when you're trying to get into, tight spaces, as this little picture on the right, and you're trying to get those screws in, this is really going to help. $12.99. This is 48% off, so almost 50% off. A Prime Day deal, and this should be good through July 11th if you're interested in this. So some really good deals here, guys. I would recommend checking these out. I just kind of typed in tools for a search. You can further classify and look at Prime Day deals, but just check out if there's something you want. Leave a comment below, guys, if there's something that you want and you're going to pick up. I would love to hear about it. And again, leave a like on this video and subscribe for more content.